Hi, this is Dick Slonsky, Senior Analyst with ARC Advisory Group. Today, I am speaking with Dave Sequino of ISS, and we're going to be talking about security at the processing level. Hello, Dave. How are you doing today?
Good, thanks, Dick. Nice to be here.
So, let's start with this. The interest in digital transformation continues to grow. Was your company able to leverage that market trend? And if so, what were some of the success stories for you this past year?
Sure. Yeah, so ISS, Integrity Security Services, is a wholly owned subsidiary of Greenhill Software. So ISS provides a provisioning platform and a security platform for edge to cloud. So we are part of the foundational layer of digital transformation.
Okay. So clearly intelligence at the edge is a hot topic today and becoming even more so. What types of edge devices and solutions is your company offering, or solutions that enable other products to operate on the edge?
Sure. So we're laser focused on safety critical applications. So for example, critical infrastructure, that's what the focus of this conference is all about. So control systems that control oil fields, gas fields, anything that's safety critical. Water treatment plants are pretty safety critical. Also mission critical, critical infrastructure. Also in the automotive space, all the electronic controller units that are starting to talk and be promiscuous, medical devices, some consumer devices that are security critical, streaming media type things. Mm-hmm. Those are the types of things that we're involved with.
Based on your accomplishments in 2018, what are some of the key initiatives that will further improve your value proposition as we go forward in 2019 and 2020?
Yeah, so our flagship product is called DLM, Device Lifecycle Management, and it's our provisioning platform, and it's got 3 modules. It's got DLM Trust, which is the security module to provision a device with a birth certificate, and then we have device management, so we can do over-the-air updates. But as you can imagine, doing an over-the-air update without having DLM Trust is like a malware distribution system. Mm-hmm. And then above that, we have supply chain management. Each of those modules has something called DLM dashboards. So not only are we allowed to take data off the edge, we do it in an authenticated way because everything we do starts with security.
Interesting. Blockchain's been getting a lot of attention lately. Have any of your customers been inquiring about blockchain solutions from your company? And does your company have any plans to sell blockchain solutions in the future?
Yeah, it's a good question, and I know it's a hot topic. Right now, the prevailing use case for blockchain is clearly currency. So we see a lot of opportunity for it, but our DLM platform is a public key platform and a symmetric key platform. So every single code signing application we do for moving a digital asset from a cloud to the edge or the edge to the cloud is designed to be hashed and time-stamped, very similar to the technology around blockchain, but we also use public key to ensure the people sending it are also authenticated. So we sort of see the DLM platform as blockchain on steroids in an operational format that people can use.
Very interesting. The issue of cybersecurity continues to increase at all levels in industrial automation and in the enterprise markets. How is your company responding with new products, solutions, and partnerships in this area?
Yeah, we're trying to find people. One of the biggest issues we have is we're sort of picking our customers at this point. As I said earlier, we're focused on that safety critical and security critical application, and we're moving into the aerospace and defense market. Where historically they've used guys with guns and big fences and people that have been worked at the companies for years and years, and they're realizing that's not enough. Our biggest challenge is bringing people into the organization and teaching them what we do. And it's our customers' challenge too. There's not enough people that understand cybersecurity from an embedded perspective, right? So we're always growing our brain trust in our organization.
Mm-hmm. I see. We all know that the biggest nemesis for all customers is unplanned downtime. What type of products, solutions, and services does your company provide to help your customers avoid unplanned downtime?
Yeah, that's a great question. Everything that we do in our DLM platform is done in a redundant manner. We do very, very high volume provisioning at the semiconductor level. So we're provisioning over 1 billion devices a year. And as you can imagine, having a semiconductor product line go down is a real challenge for our customers. So we spend a lot of time. Our platform is redundant and has high availability. We do disaster recovery. We have test networks, we have production networks, we have pre-production networks. And so depending upon the application and the volume, we ensure that the DLM platform can scale. We issue all the certificates to all the cars in North America, actually. So you can imagine there's 17 million cars that are delivered new in North America every year, and we deliver certificates to them in a redundant and high available way.
Ah, impressive. Most manufacturers seek advanced analytics solutions, such as predictive and prescriptive analytics, to sort through the endless amounts of data and conveying that into actionable information. What advanced analytics solutions does your company offer? And is it being incorporated into other products and solutions that your company offers?
Good question, and I mentioned it earlier, our DLM dashboard is a feature on top of the DLM platform. So again, security, device management, supply chain management, and then dashboards for stratifying the data, right? Because in some cases, you might want one group of people to see certain data and another group of people not to see data, but without DLM trust to digitally sign and tie it to users, you wouldn't be able to create those silos of trust. So that's what we're doing.
I see. Well, thank you, Dave.
You're welcome.
Today, I've been speaking with Dave Sequino of Integrity Security Services. Thank you very much for your attention.